Guys, welcome to my channel. Today topic is the evolution of renewable energy technology. The evolution of renewable energy technology presents a transformation shift in how we generate and consume energy, driven by the urgent need to address climate and change, reduce dependence on fossil fuels, and promote sustainable development. Over the past few decades, significant advancement has been made in harnessing renewable resources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy, leading on to remarkable increase in the three efficiency, affordable, and accessibility. Solar energy has been one of the most dynamic transformation. The development of photovoltaic cells, which convert sunlight into electricity, is involved from bulky and expensive unit to silk highly efficient plants that are now a common sight on rooftop and solar frame innovations such in the flame solar cell, multi-junction cell, and wafer planners such which capture sunlight, which both sides have pushed to boundaries of solar technology. Additional advance in solar energy storage through batteries and their technology are addressing the inter- intermittency issue associated with solar power, making it a more reliable and viable option for both residential and commercial use. Wind energy has also progressed significantly with modern wind turbines become large and more efficient. The development of horizontal wind turbines with advanced blade design and material has increased their energy capture capability and reduced cost of wind farms. Situated in deeper water are expanding the potential for wind energy by assessing stronger and more constant winds, further enhancing their efficiency and output. The integration of digital technology such as predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring has optimized wind farm operation, ensuring the greater reliability and performance. Hydropower, one of the oldest forms of renewable energy, has evolved through innovation in turbine design. Hydropower strong and macro hydro system will traditional large scale can have significant environmental impact. Newer approaches such as run-off river system and small modular hydropower plants for more environmental friendly alternative. Pumped strong hydropower, which store energy by pumping water to higher elevation during period of low demand and releasing it during peak demand, provides is a valuable solution for balancing supply and demand in power grids. Geothermal energy reserved from the heat stored within the earth has seen advancement in drilling technology and geothermal system efficiency. Enhanced geothermal system, which involve injection water into hot rock formation extract heat, have expanded the potential from geothermal energy beyond traditional volatility reduction, improved exploration technologies, and increased understanding of geothermal resource are enabling a more widespread utilization of this constant and renewable energy sources. In addition to this core renewable technology, the integration of smart grid energy management system has revolutionized how renewable energy is incorporated into the power grid. Smart grid use digital communication to optimize the distribution and consumption of electricity, allowing for better management of variable renewable resource and enhancing grid ability. Energy storage solutions such as advanced batteries and pumped storage system play a circular role in mitigating the intermittency of renewable energy source and ensure stable power supply. Thank you for watch my video and subscribe my channel.